Well, NewsX is reporting from Bangkok, and yes, the situation is very intense. If you talk about Myanmar or Bangkok, where we are reporting live, yes, the situation looks very difficult. Behind me, you can see these visual place. You can see has been cordoned off. Earlier, it was accessible to the people, but now it has been, clearly it has been barricaded. You see these visuals, you see these exclusive visuals, so you get an understanding of what is going on at this very location. This is the 30th story building that fell prey to to that very earthquake that has happened. 96 people are still missing, and as per the data also that is being officially given, 11 people have lost their lives. And this 72-hour window is the most critical because in this very window you still have that hope that people who are stuck inside can come out. So now 20 hours left, that is just one day. So that becomes this rescue operation becomes very critical. Armed forces, city police are all vigil, they are all on duty. You can see these heavy cranes, heavy machines being deployed on above. Also you can see drones also that is working. There are several drones also that is being deployed at this very location, and this operation has been going 24/7. There is no stoppage, and here also there are media persons also who are deployed from all the countries, several countries. All kinds of medias are here also reporting from this very incident. Apart from that, also there have been tents, kiosks also. This is the control room. Missing person kiosks also have been made, so that if anyone wants answers, if anyone wants their questions, their queries to be answered. But definitely there is still hope among people, even though yes, the hope is critical because 72 hours window is the most critical window, and just 20 hours are left. But again, definitely there's still hope for people to come out because the rescue efforts have been going on from 2 p.m. onwards, and even now it is going on. It's a 24/7 effort, and even the locals are also coming ahead, providing water supplies, medical equipments. Mobile ambulance have also been deployed outside. There are more than 10 ambulances. Behind is also those big machines that have been deployed. So all efforts have been taken by the authorities, by the Thai city police, by the officials, armed forces, and everyone rather to show support on this very incident that has jolted Bangkok. This is me, Branadeep. I'm signing off for. Well, NewsX is in Bangkok, and we are covering